कि खाने में क्या खाना चाहिए और क्या नहीं खाना चाहिए, बिकॉज इट्स सो हॉट कि यू हैव टू हैव द राइट फूड, यू नीड टू हैव द राइट फूड. तो वेलकम जानवी टू गजब गीतांजलि की फूडशाला. एंड यहाँ पर हम लोग रोज खाने के बारे में बात करते हैं. वैसे पास्ट फ्यू डेज वी हैव बीन ओनली टॉकिंग अबाउट खाना which is more on calorie, you know, fried food, snacks, best restaurants. But today I think we need some healthy food tips. So first tell the viewers about yourself.
So I'm a nutritionist and I've been working since 7 to 8 years.
Wow, it's been 8 years?
Yeah, and all through my years I've realized that the food industry has really changed. So
Yes, it is.
what it was couple of years back, now people are a lot more in the disbelief of food. They don't trust certain types of foods that they're eating. So there's a lot of struggle that they have with food, whether it's losing weight or gaining weight. अगर किसी का वजन कम करना है तो हमको ये नहीं खाना है, अगर बढ़ाना है तो ये खाना चाहिए. सो आई थिंक फूड हैज़ टू बी अ लॉट मोर सिंप्लीफाइड. जितना हम कम कॉम्प्लिकेट करेंगे लाइफ को खाने के बारे में, उतना ही हमारा लाइफ लॉग वेट लॉस.
आई थिंक दैट मेक्स अ लॉट ऑफ सेंस, क्योंकि पहले ऐसा होता था कि जिसका वेट कम होता था उसको बढ़ाना होता था तो सिर्फ इतना बोलते थे और खाओ और खाओ. इतना फोकस नहीं करते थे कि गुड फैट क्या है, बैड फैट क्या है. तो व्हाट डू यू थिंक अबाउट दैट?
आई थिंक ऐसा नहीं है कि जिसको वज़न कम करना है उसको कम खाना है और जिसको वज़न बढ़ाना है उसको ज़्यादा खाना है. अगर आप टाइम टू टाइम खाएंगे एंड इफ यू आर गोइंग टू बी वर्किंग आउट रेगुलरली, फॉलोइंग अ डिसिप्लिन विद like a disciplined lifestyle, then you can stay fit throughout your life. You don't need to rely on anyone then. You don't even need a dietitian in your life to lose weight.
True. तो आपको क्या बचपन से was it family influence कि ये lifestyle follow करी है, traditional है, या what motivated you कि आप
Yeah, for me, lot of it from my childhood was my family, because I've seen my mom as she's been really fit throughout her life. Even my grandparents, even now at this a certain age, they are health free, touch wood. So I feel if you follow a discipline with your lifestyle and eating habits, like I said, जितना हम कम खाने के बारे में कॉम्प्लिकेशन करते हैं, जितना हम सिंपल फूड खाते हैं, घर का खाना खाते हैं, that's how you can really lead a healthy lifestyle.
Sure. Before we go ahead, let me say a big hi to people who have joined us today. Hi Harshit, hi Saksha, Abhi, Rita, hi guys, hi, thank you for joining in. I hope आपको वॉल्यूम अच्छे से आ रही है और हम अच्छे से आपको दिख पा रहे हैं. अगर आपको कोई भी क्वेश्चंस है जानवी से, हेल्थ रिलेटेड, डाइट रिलेटेड, समर फूड रिलेटेड, आप प्लीज पूछ सकते हैं. एंड जब तक शी विल टेल अस कि व्हाट आर द टॉप 5 थिंग्स वी शुड फॉलो एज अ डाइट, ये इतनी गर्मी जो है ये समर सीजन में.
Sure. So I'm gonna talk about 5 of my favorite foods also. So summer, क्योंकि summer है तो seasonal ही खाना है, is very important. So the first food that I'm going to talk about is mango, because I think all of us love mango, and हमने हमेशा सुना है कि mango में बहुत कैलोरीज होती है, बहुत फैट होता है, खा नहीं सकते हैं. जो भी डाइट पे है उसके लिए तो mango is a complete no. So I just want to break this myth that mango is excellent for this summer, and if you really want to lose weight, lose fat, stay fit this summer, at the same time get energy, because a lot of us हम बहुत dehydrate हो जाते हैं because of the heat. हमको लगता है कि हमारे पास energy बची नहीं है at the end of the day. So mango is something that can give you like a quick fix of energy. At the same time आपको विटामिन जो चाहिए, जो आपको सन टैन से बचाता है, वो मैंगो है. और स्किन आपकी ग्लोइंग रहेगी ऑल थ्रू समर इफ यू ईट अ मैंगो एवरी डे. सो व्हाट इज़ इम्पॉर्टेंट इज़ द वे यू ईट योर मैंगो. सो हम हमेशा खाने के साथ खाते हैं. अगर आप इफ़ यू ईट इट एज अ सेपरेट मील, अगर आप बिटवीन लंच एंड योर इवनिंग स्नैक, या बिटवीन ब्रेकफास्ट एंड लंच एज अ मील आप खाएंगे इन ऑफिस और एट होम, it's always going to be something that you can have throughout the summer. So a mango every day is definitely recommended. Again, mango in different forms. You can do like कच्ची कैरी का जो आम पन्ना होता है, is a liquid. It's like a drink, like a शरबत that also keeps you well hydrated during the summers. So mango is my first pick. The second is rice, because rice is
before we go ahead, I also want to ask you कि जैसे बोला जाता है फ्रूट्स में नेचुरल स्वीटनिंग एलिमेंट रहता है, तो सारे फ्रूट्स में रहता है. इज देयर एनी फ्रूट दैट वी शुड नॉट ईट?
See, all fruits have the same type of natural sugar which is called fructose. So ऐसा नहीं है कि मैंगो में कुछ अलग शुगर है जिससे फैट बनता है, और एप्पल में वो शुगर है जिससे हम पतले रहते हैं या ब्रेन ज़्यादा काम करता है. सो इट्स एब्सोल्युटली रॉन्ग. all types of fruits have the same type of natural sugar which is fructose. So you can eat all seasonal fruits. What's important is आप जो भी सीजन में जो फ्रूट है वो खाए, एंड नॉट कि हम दिसंबर में अगर मैंगो खाएंगे उसका कोई इफेक्ट नहीं होने वाला बॉडी पे. सो सीजनल इज इम्पोर्टेंट.
Okay, yeah. So number 2.
Number 2 is rice, because again that's also one of my favorite. Like I said, so rice is great for summers, because summers में हमेशा हमको लगता है कि बहुत heavy लग रहा है stomach, you feel bloated, पेट में you are constantly feeling that पेट बाहर आ रहा है, so rice is great because it keeps you light at all times. Also it has a cooling effect on the body, especially if you mix it with dahi or something.
Wow.
It's very cooling. So if you feel you've come out from the heat, बहुत गर्मी से घर आए and you want to eat some wholesome meal in the night for lunch or dinner, then rice and dahi is a great option. Also rice helps to keep your stomach flat throughout the summer.
What are you saying?
Yes.
ऐसा लग रहा है कि बहुत सारे myth clear हो रहे हैं.
And I think rice, I would recommend in the summers, if you really like rice, then you can do it for lunch and dinner. So lunch में भी rice ले सकते हैं, dinner में भी rice ले सकते हैं, because appetite kind of also drops during the summer. हमको खाने का मन नहीं होता है. So rice is something which is also very light, and you can skip your roti if you want. Instead you just
But
do
then
rice.
why is
for
this
lunch
myth
and dinner.
created around mangoes, around rice?
I think also because everything tastes so good. So हमको हमेशा लगता है कि जो भी tasty है या जो भी अच्छा दिखता है या जिससे हमको अच्छी whatever satisfies us is actually a bad food. Or it's really high in calories or high in sugar or high in fat.
Yes.
So I think whatever satisfies you is the best food for you in whatever season it is.
Super.
Yeah.
So number 3.
Number 3, I think what I want to also talk about is sugarcane juice and sugar. So sugar actually is the best coolant, even as per Ayurveda. In the summer you should be having sugar, and that's why ये season में अगर आप घर पे देखेंगे, your moms or anyone, they also make all these sharbats, like
Yes.
they make a ginger lemon sharbat, or आम केरी का जो पन्ना होता है, that's also made out of sugar, and usually they also use खड़ी शक्कर,
Which
this is like a
good.
crystallized form of sugar, which is
Okay.
a good form of sugar as well. So I think sugarcane juice is another very nice drink that's easily available all through Mumbai, I think all around our country, and you can have sugarcane juice because it also helps you detoxify your liver. So summer में it's a great detoxifier.
Awesome.
Yeah.
ऐसा लग रहा है कि सब तो sugar cane juice के बारे में बात करें तो it's only sugar cane juice, or you talking about sugar as a whole?
Yeah, so sugar as a whole, you can have it, in your dahi or in your maybe as a lassi in the form of sharbats, because that's how sugar you can have sugar, because it's going to give you instant energy in the summer.
No wonder. ऐसा लग रहा है you're talking about when we were kids और जो मम्मी और दादी जो चीजें देती थी,
course.
things have changed so much since then.
Right.
Because जब तब रोज राइस खाते थे, तब गर्मियों में लस्सी पीते थे, जो अभी ऐसा नहीं होता because we're more conscious.
Yeah.
But then now I'm so happy कि घर जाके I can attack to these things.
Yeah, surely.
So yes, moving on to number 4.
Number 4, I think dahi is another thing that I think we should surely have in the summers, and homemade dahi. So nothing from a packet or a tetra pack. So dahi, buttermilk, छाछ, अभी सब जगह पे भी मिलता है as tetra packs, but I don't recommend anything from the tetra pack, because I feel जो घर पे हर घर में दही जमता ही है, तो we should continue jamming dahi every day, because it keeps your stomach again very light. और जो B12 deficiency बहुत common deficiency है अभी and सबको लगता है कि vegetarians में कुछ भी vegetarian source does not have B12, but actually dahi, छाछ is a very good source of B12. It's also छाछ in fact is a very good source of whey protein as well. So it's a great protein source, as well as it's great for keeping your stomach light, and you also stay energetic through the summers.
Wow, that's a lot of knowledge and good knowledge.
Yes.
So let me say a big hi to people who've just joined me. Hi Niyati, hi Varsha, hi VBand, hi Rita. Hi guys, if you have any questions related to your health, related to diet, related to the kind of food you eat, Janvi is here till 3 o'clock. Please shoot in with your questions. Yeah, so next.
Next, I think the last thing that I want to add is all the, like I said even earlier, though I mentioned those sharbats, but I think the fifth thing that I would add in my diet in the summers is all of these local sharbats like kokam sharbat, or aam panna, or even something like nariyal pani. So nariyal pani is also great for the summers, because again it keeps you very well hydrated.
Yes.
और अगर summer में आपका body dehydrate हो जाता है, उतना ही आपका fat burning slow हो जाता है. So if you want to really keep your fat moving and burning in the summers, then you should keep yourself very well hydrated. So overall, after all these 5 things, I think one important thing that I want to talk about is water, because हम पानी we kind of हमको थर्स्ट सिग्नल्स इतनी नहीं आती है, और समर में पानी पीना बहुत ही ज़रूरी है. स्पेशली आई रेकमेंड मटका का पानी, बिकॉज मटका पानी अगर आप पियेंगे घर दैट द क्ले पॉट, so that's really cooling for the body. It's a natural cooling thing, agent for the body. लोग रेफ्रिजरेटर में से बॉटल्स निकाल के पीते हैं. So I would say instead of that, if you have मटके का पानी, you'll actually feel it's really cooling for your system. और जिनको एसिडिटी और सब होती है उनके लिए मटका पानी is great in the summers.
What is the difference when it comes to temperature? कितना important है? जैसे कई लोग बोलते हैं खाने के पहले you should have a warm cup of water, या सुबह उठकर you should have warm water, या you should have water from the copper vessel, या ये सब बहुत सारी चीज़ें हैं.
See, warm water doesn't really have any kind of significance other than some people really need it because they feel good, और सुबह को especially जिनको pressure नहीं होता है उनके लिए they want to have warm water or chai. But warm water before meals, again, if you want to have, you can have, because it kind of gets you in the present situation. It just calms you down a lot more. But अगर आपको regular पानी, जो मटके का पानी जो बोल रही हूँ, which keeps your temperature regulated, because your body needs to regulate a certain body temperature. So मटका पानी से your body can regulate your temperature, whether it's the summer or whether it's the winter. So I would recommend not drinking water out of bottles from refrigerators or even plastic bottles. Copper is also a very good way to kind of drink water. If you keep water in a copper vessel overnight, it kind of really the copper ions जो होते हैं वो पानी में आ जाते हैं, जिससे कि आपके बॉडी को वो न्यूट्रिएंट मिल सकता है, which is not as commonly available in food. So yes, we should kind of follow the age-old techniques of having water, like matka, copper vessel, or even a silver vessel, whatever everyone's house has.
Okay. And what about जो Indian mentality है, चाय, coffee, we are very used to these things कि नींद आती है तो coffee पीते हैं या चाय पीते हैं. So what do you have to say about chai and coffee routines in our daily life?
See, chai coffee routine, you can have chai coffee because India में तो masala chai is like I think world famous. All of Starbucks I think also has masala chai. So I think we should have masala chai for in India. पर हमको चाय अपने मील के बदले में नहीं लेना है. So अगर आप खाने के बाद ले रहे हैं चाय, या if you are having it in between meals, वो चलेगा, पर सुबह उठते ही चाय नहीं लेना है कि खाने के बदले में चाय नहीं लेना है, because that's what kind of dehydrates the body, especially during the summers. So चाय कॉफ़ी आई थिंक अगर हम 2 बार दिन में लेंगे that's more than enough. और 6:30-7 के बाद you should avoid टी और especially coffee, because उससे आपकी नींद हैम्पर हो सकती है रात को.
मतलब 6:30 शाम को I land up having coffee when I'm sleeping.
Yeah, do you get sleep? No. Yeah, so that's all. So avoid coffee in the night because it's not going to get you good sleep. And again, both are diuretics. मतलब आपके बॉडी में से पानी फ्लश आउट करता है, जिससे आप डिहाइड्रेट हो जाते हैं. So summer में the last thing you want is dehydration, because the first thing that you want in the summer is fat burning.
So जानवी के घर में जैसे ही एंटर हुई, जानवी की mom looks like her sister and जानवी herself. So both look very well maintained, and I want to know कि इनकी पूरे दिन की diet क्या है. In general, are they diet conscious? Do they exercise a lot? या as a layman हम लोग को हमेशा लगता है कि जो fitness expert होंगे वो उनके बहुत अच्छे abs होंगे and they are very fit always. तो ऐसा क्या है जो आप लोग follow करते हो जो हमको नहीं पता है?
See, I don't think मैं जो follow करती हूँ जो आपको नहीं पता होगा, because I keep my diet very simple. I keep my workout also very simple. I don't keep overly ambitious targets for me. मतलब कि मैं ऐसा नहीं बोलूँगी कि ये वीक में मैं 7 days workout करूँगी और मैं स्वीट्स बंद कर दूँगी और मैं ये नहीं खाऊँगी वो नहीं खाऊँगी. एवरीथिंग एज पर माई लाइक्स, एंड जो भी सीजन है मैं वो खाती हूँ. और मैं फिक्स करती हूँ कि आई एम प्लानिंग टू वर्कआउट से 4 times a week or 5 times a week. I keep up with it regularly. और ऐसा नहीं है कि I'm gonna overdo working out on one day and then not work out for the next few weeks. So I think discipline comes to you easy if you kind of अगर हम अपने बॉडी को लव करना चालू करते हैं, if we start looking also at food beyond weight loss या beyond calories. अगर हम फूड नरिशमेंट के हिसाब से सोचते हैं तो उतना ही हम you can build that good relationship with food, and तभी automatically वो discipline आ जाता है. जैसे कि kids also, like if you see kids, they like doing some things और वो discipline में रहते हैं अगर उनको वो अच्छा लगता है. Similarly for us, if we want to really keep the child in us alive, then we have to do things that we like doing and pick up any form of exercise. कोई भी exercise जो आपको भाता है